Greeting friends, we are in Penetration Mall, Shanghai, China 2025. So today we would like to introduce our laser machining center. That's our latest upgrade for machining center. Okay, this machine, our CNC laser machining center with the processing length of 4 meters, and also the system we are using with this is the ERP online, and also Camprox software can be also optional. So you can input the CAD file, everything in this machine is like totally Windows environment. And also for remote control from any issue can be just connected easily through the internet and also Wi-Fi, this kind of thing. So for this machining center, as I mentioned, the processing length of this machine is 4 meters. This machine is a 3-axis large, 2 servo, a rotating table, plus 4 clamping servo. Also, in a general, we can say 9 axis or 9 servo motor and driver they have. So first of all, about the spindle motor. Spindle motor is HSD from Italy, 9.5 kilowatt. Okay, and also we upgraded the laser head also. It means that twin head, the spindle and laser head. And how much the profiles processing is for one side 350 mm. If you want to do 3 sides at the same time, all is like 200 mm each side can be done. And also this machine is also including the auto changing magazine, also end milling function. And you can do all the machining, groving, tapping, kneading, drilling, everything can be done. So, and also for a laser. So if I tell you about the laser advantage, we can say first of all, the processing with the laser machine is much faster than the normal one, and also less noise. When you do the for by laser, you have a less noise, and also for making the sharp edge is possible by the laser. By the spindle, because of the shape of the bit, cannot be done. And also after processing, there is no chips on the processing area. So this is the advantage of laser machine. Even after processing, there is not heating that area who just already processed with the machining. And so this is about the laser. Now if you go to the brand for all spindle, for all this servo motor, we are using Mitsubishi from Japan, and all the electric component is Schneider from France. And also for all this rack gear and screw gear, we are using AirTech from Taiwan. So this is our machining center. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Okay, thank you.